How you doing, my good people? So today's Sunday, rainy day. Been raining all day, which is not very usual for Central Florida weather. It usually rains and stops. We got a hurricane coming. They say it's gonna hit us directly. I hope it doesn't come that strong, really, because I would have to board up my windows. We might not have power. It'll just be a big mess. We just got hit with a hurricane like a week or two ago, and it devastated West Florida. It's like part of my wife's birthday weekend. I'm charging the car right now with my son. Then I'm gonna go home and pick up my wife. There's also a Ford's garage here. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Ford's garage. I want to try it out. I've been seeing it. They've been popping up quite frequently lately. Must be making business. It's later on in the day, about an hour and a half after my last video. That restaurant is actually close to Davenport, Champions Gate. I haven't been in this area too much, actually. I know it's close to Disney, but my son there. No, sorry. There. Lucas, say hello. This is the restaurant. Tuesday to Thursday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday, Saturday, 11 a.m. and it's blocked out, but it's really to 11 p.m. Sunday to 10 p.m. Inside. It's very nice in here. It looks very nice. That's our table. Say hello.
Hello.
So my wife's friends just gave Lucas this envelope. This fancy envelope. Very nice. Don't know what's in it, but got some boba teas.
Coffee.
Yeah, mine is coffee. Yeah.
Mine's the classic.
Yours is the classic.
我在看。我要写，因为我去年来吃过，我
Very
写
good
了一
cheese
个
and
评
crab
论，我
inside.
说
Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is just the appetizers. Fried calamari with the sauce, some French fries, and the lettuce wrap. I believe that's chicken. My wife's friend is the owner of this restaurant, and apparently they said these chicken wings are supposed to taste like the chicken wings from McDonald's in China. Very interesting. Do they actually taste like Chinese McDonald's chicken wings?
80%, yes.
Oh yeah? Wow. And this is the finishing product before it gets finished. Got the beef and broccoli, orange chicken, the main fun going, and it's good. Well, a lot of leftovers. It was way too much food. All right, my good people. The night is gonna be ending off right here. We had a pretty good day, a rainy day, but overall, not too bad. We'll see what's in store tomorrow. Actually, it's gonna be hurricane preparation because apparently this hurricane is on the way. So, my good people, stay up, stay nice. Peace.